Good morning all. Today we'll discuss the central locking system in an automobile. The locking system in a vehicle must grant access only authorized persons. It means that via which the vehicle doors or the boot lid are locked and unlocked and the engine is started. The locking system is it in the event of an accident. Fuel filter caps with the locks which are also available for the retrofitting improve both safety and the protection of environment by preventing fuel from escaping. Moreover, the valve system is installed in modern fuel filter caps to reduce fuel evaporation. Now, safety consideration: modern locking system help to increase both security and safety in the vehicles. Where security is concerned, they provide protection against theft and conjunction with an alarm, act as a deterrent. In terms of safety, the integrated control of the lighting elements when doors are unlocked. Now, the function of locking system is in the vehicle. Vehicle is the must grant access only authorized person. What are different locking system in years ago by pure mechanical locking systems where the norm each door is lead had an independent mechanism which could be operated from outside with the key and from the inside with the front knob. Central locking system for which pneumatic drives were used originally brought about significant improvements in comfort and convenience. Now, electrical locking systems are components in today's vehicle. Most of these combine a key with an infrared or wireless remote control. This means that it can be triggered remotely without the contact between key and the vehicle. Today, the most manufacturers only fit the lock which has operated with the key in one door, so the car can be unlocked in emergency. Now, what are the components of central locking system? First is door or handle strip. The door handle is the traditional means by which vehicle is opened and closed from inside or outside. External door strips usually houses the door lock. Door strips are increasingly used as a design element in the modern cars. Regarding door lock, the latching mechanism in a vehicle is installed directly in its doors, contains both latch and electric motor, which controls the central locking. The latch open or closes the doors, whereas the door locks or unlocks the vehicle. Today, all the doors latches are powered by the electric drives. Next is fuel filter cap. It must securely seal the fuel tank. Some fuel filler caps have locks, others do not have. Fuel filler caps with the locks are usually found on the vehicles which have either a fuel filler cap flap which does not lock or no fuel filler flap at all. Next is transponder. It is usually integrated inside the keyboard. It is the means by which the electronic immobilizer identifies that the correct key is being used. The transponder's code is read out as the key nears the ignition lock. Next is remote control are being used with the increasing frequency in the small cars, replacing the functions of conventional keys to all the intents and purposes. The signal transmitter sends the signal or a code order instruction to the receiver inside the vehicle, which usually controls the number of functions. Infrared remote controls have a range up to 15 meters. They rarely on a direct visual contact between transmitter and receiver. Today, infrared remote controls are only used rarely as they have been overtaken by the technologies. Now, the keys are the different basic functions of remote control locking doors. Luggage compartment, fuel filler cap, they are also used in the control. Interior lighting, electronic immobilizer, alarm and windows. Okay, now these are the different components of this system you may be interested in. Okay, so this is what about the central locking system. Thank you.